Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys had a great day. Hope you're having a good weekend so far. We're just getting into it, right? So it is Friday, June the 27th of 2025. We have made it to day number 78 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what's going on, what I'm talking about, we're shooting a 365-day challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank, okay, and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. We're putting those together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys this until we get to day number 365, guys. So we got quite a ways to go. And super excited to be here and glad to be here to help you guys and show you guys the way. I've created a brand new channel, brand new ClickBank account just for you guys, just to show you the power of this method and to show you that anyone can do this that's willing and that's determined to earn any extra income. Okay. So we've made it to day number 78. I'm going to make this video kind of short. I just want to get right to it, kind of show you guys how to do stuff and then show you the results from last night's email. Okay. So let's go and go over here to the My Lead Gen Secret system. My Lead Gen Secret is an email service. They provide 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into your back office, you're going to see either 100 or 200 new leads coming in every single day. Okay. And what determines you get whether you get 100 or 200 is how many accounts that you have. All right. So the more accounts that you have, the more accounts that you're going to get that have 200 new subscribers coming in every single day. Okay. Now I did leave a link below this video for you guys. If you go down here and you go to the email, the tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom. You click on that link, it takes you to the My Lead Gen Secret platform. You can go ahead and get signed up. Just a small one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. I mean, this service is a no-brainer, guys. I mean, that $30 a month, you're going to accumulate thousands and thousands of people that are going to be on your list, your personal list, okay? And those people will stay with you as long as you make the monthly payment of $30. Those people will stay with you and you'll be able to promote products to these people every single day. Okay. Which is very, very awesome and is very powerful. Once you get the right email, okay, and the right the right business opportunity to put in front of these folks. Okay. So your back office is going to look exactly like this. You're going to have tabs coming across here, guys. Only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay, it may obviously it's going to look a little different because we're doing things differently. But your back office is going to be the same. All the stuff is the same. And just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with the My Lead Gen Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic, and I've earned income with this traffic, and I can tell you that it does work. Okay. The only thing about this traffic, okay, is that it is cold traffic. Okay. So this is not some traffic that you're going to be able to send out an email and everybody's going to be hot and heavy on the offer that you're sending out. Okay. You're going to have to warm these people up. This is cold traffic. They got to get warmed up to who you are. Okay. Get familiar with your emails and then eventually they'll start to buy from you. Okay. That's how it works. Okay. So just wanted to, throw that out there to you guys. Okay. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email with this system. It's very easy to do. Yeah, I can teach my little nieces to do this. Okay, so it's very easy. All right. So if you go here to the mailing system, this is where the pretty much the main tab that you're going to be hanging out at in the My Lead Gen Secret. It has all of your emails. So what you would do, you're going to load your emails up so you can get ready to send out an email. Okay. Now, when you load them up, it lets you know how many subscribers that you're going to be able to reach. So in this account, I have 8 different accounts, guys. This account has about 179,000 people in it. Okay, and we're going to send out one email to this all of these people, and it's going to go out to a blast to all of these people within 24 hours, and it's going to reach all of those people. And then in the next 24 hours, I'm gonna be able to come back in here tomorrow at the same time, same place, right, and send out another email, and it's going to reach all these people. So we'll be able to rinse and repeat every single day. Okay. So let's go ahead and go down here now. These emails, I mean, this stuff may look familiar to you because if you sent out an email in Gmail or Yahoo, AOL, right, whatever email service that you have, okay, They all have a subject line and they all have a body of text. All right, super easy. So we got to do two things. We got to grab a subject line and we got to grab a body of text. All right, which is super easy. Now, the offer that we are promoting has free email swipes. Okay, so all we got to do is go grab those email swipes, copy and paste them into the to your back office here, and send those emails out. It's super easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and go up here to the subject line. And the offer that we're going to be using is an offer called Social Sales Rep. It's a business opportunity that I pulled out from ClickBank. Okay. That converts very well. And they have free email swipes. Now, you don't have to actually promote this offer. You know, they have other business opportunity offers. I just promote this offer because it has a rebill of $28 and we get to keep $20 of that. So that residual $20 comes in every single month and that comes in pretty handy. Okay. So let's go ahead and go here, guys. Let's go ahead and grab an email. Okay. And let's go ahead and grab the subject line. Look at this. Just grab that subject line, copy that, Control C, copy, come back over here to the mailing system, Control V. Boom, super easy. And then come down here, and then we're going to click on perfect timing, and then we're going to grab our offer here, and then we're just going to grab this body of text here. Okay. Oh, it's a long one. And Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, Control A, Control V, right? And then we're going to take out where it says signature. We want to put in either your name or management, whichever one, okay, you like to use. This is more of a job oriented email, okay? So I usually will put management so it's, look like it's coming from the manager, okay, that's looking for people to start working, okay? So let's go ahead and take out where it says name. We want to take this out and we want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay. So if your first name is still say, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, hi, whatever your name is, right? And then it goes into the email. Okay. Now it goes into this opportunity. There's going to be some call to action, bold text that we want to turn into clickable links. Okay, so let's go ahead and find those. And a call to action, it could be, it tells you what to do. Call to action means, somebody telling you what to do. Okay, and how to get to the next step. Right. So we have a call to action button right here where it says click here. Okay. Usually a call of action, you're going to see it. It's going to say like, click here, apply now, get started here. Hey, whatever, right? And let's go ahead and what I like to do is, even though it says just click here for bold text, I want to just grab this whole sentence, right? And let's turn this into a clickable link. Now, underneath every email that we send out is going to be a affiliate link that goes with the email. Okay, you want to Control C. You want to come back over here to the mailing system and Control V, right? Let's go ahead and take this out. Okay, right here it says your ClickBank affiliate ID. You want to take that out. You don't want to send the email out with that, okay? Because the only person that's going to get credit is social sales rep, okay? And they're just going to keep getting richer and richer. But as affiliates, we want a piece of it, right? So let's go ahead and put in your affiliate ID. Okay, I'm gonna put in mine. Okay, don't take it out. That's not right, guys. So don't put in mine, guys. Put in yours. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. Boom. We just put that. Oh, hold on, I messed that up, guys. So let me just take this out. Boom, and let's try this again. Okay, I totally messed that up. So let's go ahead and grab that. Boom, and then there we go. Right. So we put in our affiliate link right there where it says your ID. Right. It's just telling you exactly what to do. Click on OK, and what that does, it turns that into a clickable link. All right. And then we want to come down here to the other one and let's just grab this whole sentence. Okay, boom, boom. And then grab the link tab and then click on Control V. Super easy to do, guys. This stuff is just so easy. And it only takes just maybe 5 to 10 minutes to send out your accounts. And it's just so easy to do. Okay. Now I've already sent out all 8 of my accounts just to get ahead of you guys, okay? But I'm just showing you guys how to do it. Now the size, I like to either make it either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys decide. I like for my prospects when they're reading their email on their phone or computer, I like to make it big enough where they can see it, all right? So I got 2 call to action buttons. I got click here to complete your application and then click here to complete your application, right? I got 2 links, all right? One at the top and then one at the bottom. Now there's going to be 2 links at the bottom. There's two buttons. I'm sorry, guys, at the bottom. One is going to say send now, and one is going to say preview. You want to click on preview your ad. It's going to show you your email in real time. So pretty much what you're going to be able to do is click on those links. You click on those links and you make sure they go to your URL. Okay. And whenever it goes to your affiliate page, you want to make sure that it has your affiliate link in it. Okay. Before you send this out. Okay. That way you get the credit and you get paid for it if there's somebody ends up buying the program. Okay. So that's very important you do that. Now, once you do that, you click on send now. Boom. It's just that easy, guys. We just sent out an email to 179,000 people. We made sure everything was right. The email looks good. And, we're off to the races. Okay. So that's how easy it is to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret. I just showed you how to do that. Let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank, guys. ClickBank is a network platform that you can go to. You can grab offers from ClickBank, and you can use those offers to promote different products and services. Okay. Now the offer that we are promoting, these people on the My Lead Gen Secret System email list, these people are only looking for ways to make money online. Okay. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and grab offers that are related to making money online. All right. And that's why we picked the social sales rep. Okay. So we sent out an email last night. All right. We earned a commission yesterday. Let's go ahead and check on today. Let's go and go to the reporting tab. Today is the 27th of June. Now today, we're promoting social sales rep. Okay. Now we only got 773 hops and then 519 unique hops. Okay. Now we didn't get any order form impressions. We didn't make any sales and we didn't get any rebills. Okay. So we pretty much blanked today. Okay. So no biggie because we've been on a run lately and we've been doing pretty good. So I'm not going to harp on that. I'm gonna come back in here tomorrow, motivated, and I'm gonna be looking for either a sale or some type of rebuild. Okay. Now, as you can see, if you guys been following these videos, right? Some of these sales have been coming either back to back or every other day. Okay. And that's what I'm kind of looking for. First, in the beginning, if you go back to the beginning, we got one here and then maybe one next week. Okay. And then as the weeks progressed, those sales started to get closer and closer and closer together. Okay. So as you can see, we were getting sales every day or every other day, right? And that's what it's looking like. So I want to test to see if this algorithm is catching up now and we're moving forward. Tomorrow, let's look to see if we got a sale. Now, if we got some kind of rebill or some kind of sale tomorrow, guys, it's going to be good. Now, we did get a sale. I'm not sure if it was yesterday or the day before, one of those days. We're going to get that sale being billed. That person is going to get billed here in the next day or so. So I'm not sure if that's today or tomorrow. I have not been keeping up with this, guys, as far as like the sales. I come in on these videos and I shoot them live for you guys. So I have no idea if we're making sales or if we're not. But when I look at this chart, I kind of see the algorithm is getting closer and closer together versus before when in the beginning it was more spread apart, which tells me that we're getting closer to our goal. We're getting closer to daily sales. Now, once we get to the daily sales, then we'll start to see our income rise. We'll have those $40 days, those $20 days. Well, we're already having $20 days, right? But we're going to have consistent $20 days and then $40 days, $60 days, $80 days, and $100 days. That's the goal, guys. That's where we're headed towards. And as you can see, this algorithm is kind of showing us that we're getting there. Okay. So tomorrow, I'm almost guaranteeing. I cannot guarantee, but tomorrow, come back here with me tomorrow because I'm anxious to see if we're going to get a rebuild or if we're going to get some kind of free trial sign up from somewhere. Okay, guys. So I just wanted to show you today. We did blank out, unfortunately. I'm not happy about that, but it's just the way, it's just business, right? Not every day is going to be a hitter for you. And there's going to be days like this, right? Now, there's not going to be many days like this because if you do this every day and you do it consistently for months and months and months, you will get to a point where you're making money every single day. Okay. But right now we're just in month 3. Okay. And we're growing. Okay. We're doing really good. We're doing pretty good. We're on track to start getting those daily sales. All we got to do is keep doing what we're doing and keep pushing. right? And that's what I'm gonna do, guys. It doesn't matter if I'm blanking or making money. I'm going to come in every day. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing here. So follow me, follow what I'm doing here, guys. I got multiple sources of income that I do online, but this is one that I'm carving out just for you guys, just to show you how easy it is to make money online. All right. So subscribe to this video below. There should be a link below this video. Subscribe to this channel. Click on the link to get started with the mileage and secret. Comment below. Let me know what you think about this stuff, right? If you're someone who's looking out there that looking to make extra income online, this is actually the easiest method that I found online to make money, right? You pay $30 a month to keep to keep this traffic coming in, and all you got to do is go out and grab free offers to send this create emails and send to. So it's just super easy, guys. So anyone can do this, right? So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm gonna come back here tomorrow for Saturday. I'm gonna be here at the same time, the same place to send you guys some emails and show you the results. All right. Take care. See you tomorrow. Peace.